Okay, number 8, you're evaluating different functions. So let's start with A. I'm doing f of negative 2. I need to replace negative 2 in the f function wherever there's an x. So just be careful here. You need to do your order of operations. So I'm replacing x with negative 2. Negative 2 squared is a positive 4. Negative 2 times negative 2 is another positive 4, and then plus 1. So my answer for A is 9. For B, we're doing f of 3. So I'm going to replace 3 in the f function for x. So it's going to be 3 squared, 2 times 3 plus 1. I get 9 minus 6 plus 1. So that answer is 4. Okay, for C, it's saying to do g of negative 1. Now I'm going to take the g function and plug in negative 1 for x. So I'm getting negative 1 minus 4, which is negative 5. For D, I'm doing g of 0. I'm going to plug in 0 for the g function for x. 0 minus 4, so I get negative 4. Alright, E and F are a little different. It's a composition of functions. So I always need to do the function that's closest to the number that's closest to the function, which is the g function. So I'm first going to do g of 2. So let's replace the 2 in for my x, and I get negative 2. With this answer now, I'm going to take it and plug it in the function that's left, which is f. So I'm going to do f of negative 2. Once again, be careful. Negative 2 squared minus 2 times negative 2 plus 1. Let's bring this up. We get 4 plus 4 plus 1, which is 9. So my answer for E is 9. F is saying g of f of negative 1. I first need to do my f function and plug in negative 1 because that's closest to the number. So f of negative 1. So I'm going to do negative 1 squared minus 2 times negative 1 plus 1. So I get 1 plus 2 plus 1. So that answer is 4. What do I do with that? I need to plug it now in the other function that's left on the outside, the g function. So now I'm going to do g of 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So my answer for f is 0.